What's up, guys? My name is Serge. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let me know how I'm doing. If you guys want new content, different things, comment down below. So let's go ahead and jump into the topic of this video, which is me going and getting my real estate license. The first thing that I had to go do was just go do some research on what is needed in order for me to get my real estate license here in Arizona. It was pretty self-explanatory and pretty straightforward. So it was me needing to go do a 90-hour course, sit-in, so it has to be in a classroom. I have to go do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and the cost for that was $400 at the school that I found. I looked into what will it take for me to become a broker at some point, and so I need 3 years of full-time experience as a salesperson, as a sales agent, before I can ever even think about going and getting my broker's license, which eventually, you can start your own brokerage and have other agents working for you. That is like the big picture goal. But for right now, I just want to go and get my real estate license, which I've already gotten in contact with the school and everything. And so I will do 18 days is what it's going to take me. So I'll do 5 hours each day, and it'll total up to 90 hours. And so once I get that done, I will go and take my state exam. And then once I do that, I've already actually contacted a few other agents, and just so I can get mentorship. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want to actually work for free. I know that sounds crazy. Most people won't work for free, but I'm willing to work for free because I want to learn everything there is to learn. One of them actually reached out back to me, sent me an email, and we are just kind of going back and forth trying to figure out a time to meet up and discuss me working for him for free to learn everything I can from him and to be my mentor. There are 3 reasons that I'm doing this. First reason is because I want to network, and it's a great networking opportunity. I believe everybody's always just buying and selling real estate, and so to get into that industry, I'm able to network for my other businesses. So for my assisted living, for my marketing agency, I want to network for those 2 businesses as well as the real estate aspect. The second reason is because I'm investing in myself. I love real estate and I want to know even more about it. So I think if I go and become an actual real estate agent and actually start doing it, I will learn a lot more about real estate and about everything that goes into it. Third reason I'm wanting to get my real estate license is because it will help me just build another source of income, and it will just be something that I can do on my own time, on my own schedule. And so my success as a real estate agent will be solely dependable of me and the work that I put in. So I'm not going to make any money from it unless I'm putting in work and actually going and meeting clients and doing all the work. I will keep you guys posted on how it goes and how everything happens for me, and it's exciting because this is something new that I'm doing, and you guys get to be here from the very beginning. And so I appreciate all the support and all the love, and thank you so much. If you've watched it all the way to the end and you haven't yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let me know how I'm doing down in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you all in the next video, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.